In this video, we're going to write two very small numbers using scientific notation. So in order to do this, we are going to review what it is to write a number in scientific notation. As you might recall, when we write numbers in scientific notation, there are two factors, and the first factor has to be greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10. And the second factor is going to be a power of 10. So let's start with 0.000234. And in order to get this number to fit this constraint of being greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10, I'm going to move this decimal point. Let's see how far I need to move it. I need to move it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. I need to move this decimal point 4 places, and now I can write this as 2.34, because this number is certainly greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10. And I'm going to use a multiplication symbol to indicate that I'm multiplying because it's scientific notation, and now I've got a power of 10. And then the question is, how many places did I move the decimal point? Well, I moved it 4. But in order to show that I was moving the decimal point for a very small number, I need to put a negative symbol here. And that negative symbol indicates that I moved this decimal point to the right so that I could get 0.000234 into the form of 2.34. All right, let's try it with another example. Here I have 0.000004, and I need to meet the constraint for the first factor of a number greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10. So I'm going to move my decimal point. I'm going to move it once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, I've got the whole number 4 now, and 4 is certainly greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10. All right, how many places did I move my decimal point? I moved it 7 places. And I'm going to write this as 10 to the negative 7th power. And that's how I write very small numbers in scientific notation.